how to buy United States of America token. So this token came under the symbol of USA. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So to be able to buy this token, but before that, as you can see, this token is released 11 hours ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token also trended number 2 on Solana section on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your fetch wallet for that. So click on swap here and make sure you have no Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. After that, type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Now select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the sleep hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the sleep hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy USA token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.